पणजेंत पोस्ट ऑफिसा कुशीक आशिल्ले सपेको बार आनी रेस्टॉरंटाक सांजे 3:30 वरांचेर उजो लागलो. उजो पालोवपी दळाक म्हायती मेळटकीच थंय वचून उजो पालयलो.
A bar and restaurant caught fire near Hate Post Office, Panjim, near Sapeco Bar. So I mean, immediately आमचो turnout केलो along with our motorcycle response unit and आमचो fire tender. आणि आमी पावतात आमी पळयलें की इट वॉज शटर हाफ ओपन आसलें आनी इट वॉज ऑन हाय फ्लेम्स द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. सो इमिजिएटली आमी आमचं फायर फायटींग ऑपरेशन सुरू केलें आनी आमकां ऑलमोस्ट 1 hour लागले आनी 3 फायर टेंडर यूज केले ऑलमोस्ट 20,000 लिटर्स ऑफ वॉटर. ना लॉस हांव सांगूंक शकना. फुडें आमी तांकां विचारून हें करचें पडटलें.
Son was managing the business and it was half of the time it was closed. Sometimes he has to open it because he's also not that experienced. And today suddenly around 4 I got a call that there's a fire and no one was there inside, it was closed. So they opened and they saw that there's a fire which has started on top. I think it is due to a short circuit. And the fire brigade did an excellent job of saving the other neighboring because all a wooden house, rooftops. So I got a call around 4 o'clock, like 4:30. I don't know exactly because one of the neighbor, there's a